Watch this. Hey, we've got a little lady. We like little ladies. Doing. There is the donkey. Hello, this is Sophie Dawson from sophiedawson.com, and this is another click. Look, hey, look at him with his little feet up. Look, he looks quite cool like that, doesn't he? There is the donkey. There is the donkeys with us today, and we're going to be looking at this. It should, unless they've sent me the wrong one, this should be issue number 204 of the ImagineFX magazine, which is the October 2021 issue. So far I've had the 200, 201, 202 and 203. My favourites are these two in terms of the covers. I love these two. So let's have a look at this one. I haven't even looked at this yet. It just popped through me letterbox. And little Derek the donkey's going to help us get into this. I'm quite excited for this. But I wonder if Proco's bum's still on the back. Look, we keep getting bums on the... Hey, doing. bit dirty, don't it? Watch this. Hey, we've got a little lady. We like little ladies. Doing. There is the donkey. Oh. Oh. I love the brush strokes. I love those lips. How sexy those lips are. I love the colour of the hair as well. But I can tell it's not my favourite. Discover new painting techniques. What would I say so far out of the ones I've got? I think this is probably me third or fourth favourite. I love the, like I said, I love the colours they've used, because I would never use those sort of colours. This is by the artist Aaron Oberto. Have we got a bum? Yay! We've got a little Proco's bum. I bet he's going to be on there, all the 2012 ones, 2020 ones. Discover new painting techniques. Get better at ZBrush. Lauren Brown. I've heard of them. Render perfect portraits. Must have art training books. That'd be cool. So little Derek the donkey's gonna let us in. Oh, I hope it's Claire. No, it's still Ian. Look. They never explained in the last one why Claire isn't here. I've got this horrible feeling she ain't gonna come back. I'll be very upset if she doesn't. Hey look, Skeletor. We like Skeletor. Oh, I love that one. Lauren Brown, that is. So what I do on these is I just go through them for the first time. Hey, it's my favourite, Bobby Chi. That image there is on one of the Character Design Quarterly magazines. That's my favourite thing as well with when they do the art studios. Why art books still art burps. Look at him, look. We look like we've got some cool sketches in this one. How cool is he? I got a new art book coming as well. It's a 3D Toto Publishing art book, and these are the DVDs. I'm not actually going to look at the DVD stuff this time, unless you really want it. If you really want it, let me know. But I'm actually going to just focus on the magazines from now on, I think, because it makes my life a little bit easier. This one's going to be cool. Next month we got comic art. What was I saying? I was saying something then. I can't remember. I like that one. That's quite a bit like, it's like weird. I like the brush strokes on that. Oh, look at these. How beautiful are these? Look at that one there, look. It's got a sort of a Bob Ross vibe about it, that has. I feel like this artist is a modern day Bob Ross. That's what I'm thinking. Cool little characters. I like that guy. Yeah, very, very fun. That's nice as well. Video games, look. These are my sort of video games, these are. That's James Gurneeeeyy. Yeah, Dinotopia. That's cool as well. It's a bit weird, isn't it? But look, this is canned concept art of Tabaku, a jackal that appeared in the film Mogul, Legend of the Jungle. Another James Gurneeeeyy. Oh, cool. I got that one. I got that one. I got that one. I haven't got that one. I ain't got that one either. I'm quite interested to get these two. I love art books. I really do. The 6 art books every artist should read. I love that one. I personally can't get into Andrew Loomis. I have tried. That's what I was going to say. I've got an art book coming by 3D Toto Publishing, and it's actually a new Sketching from the Imagination series. It's a new one. It should be coming today, so I'll hopefully get that video up tomorrow. Yay, Bobby Cho, look. Bobby Cho. Oh. They've actually used a Bobby... Yeah, look, there he is, Bobby... I don't know how to say his surname. He's one of my favourites here. I love these. Look at it. Look how cool she looks like. Look how sexy that is. I like that a lot. It's almost like this is the good and this is the bad. Like, I would imagine they're like twins. Nature, fire, destruction and creation. Yay! Got a little teddy, look. Oh, I like this one. Garfield. Look, Garfield telephone. Erin hunting. Erin hunting. Kellogg's frosted flakes. All the DVDs they got as well. They got Kermit the Frog there. Oh, I like that. I like that room. A cool room that is. Oh, this is brilliant. Look at this. Oh, keyboard. This is brilliant. What I like doing is I like going through their book collection, seeing if I can recognise. They got a Skeletor there. Look. Wonder if they got any Thundercats. I always like going through art. Hey, got the Simpsons. I can't believe they ain't got any Thundercats. Thundercats are the best. Pussycat, look. I don't like that guy. What's he called? McDonald's man. To me, he looks creepy. I reckon he's a pedo, if I'm being honest. I almost imagine he's some sort of pedo. A bit weird, isn't it? Pac-Man. You like Pac-Man? Cool. This artist is brilliant. You can tell a lot from the studio space of an artist, I think. Letters pages. The Art of Logan Preshaw. Cool. So like that's a bit like Loic Zimmerman mixed with sort of Mass Effect. I'm getting like a Mass Effect vibe from this one. Beautifully put together pages as well, look. Really nice. Yay! I love looking at covers. I think they're brilliant. Oh, this is sexy. Lauren Brown. We're out here too, and there's a lot of stuff that we can do with these characters. There's the little artist, like Lauren Brown. Hello. I love the gentle vibe of these characters. Yeah, there's a gentleness to this artist. It's another beautifully put together article as well. Oh, I'm going to look into this artist. This could become one of my favourites, I think. His sketches, that is my favourite. I love him. He's cool. What I like doing with these is actually copying them. Copying these sketches in my sketchbook. I think I'll copy him. And him. He's cool. I reckon he's a right badass, him. This guy's into like, oh, they've only got, they had 6 pages last time. Workshops. That is the sound of fire alarms. Every Thursday that goes off. Imagine, I always think to myself, imagine if you worked nights. I like it when you see alternate covers as well. That's something that the Character Design Quarterly magazine does quite a lot. So this would be a good one to watch on the video. I wonder if it has got, yeah, video workshop. It'd be quite fun, I think, to watch this one. It's very beautiful. I've actually started learning Procreate. Really enjoying it, I am. I'm currently, where am I? I'm currently on page 31. This is the book I'm learning, studying from. Digital Painting, Beginner's Guide to Digital Painting in Procreate. It's brilliant, this book. So far, based off what I've seen so far, if you're new to Procreate, I feel like this is going to be brilliant. Hopefully the rest of the book is as good as the start of it. But it's a really easy to follow book at the moment. It's cool. I thought of it over here. I don't know why, something triggered me. From 2D to 3D. He is cool, he is. I love that. That's brilliant. Have a look at this look up close. See, I would like to see Momra from the Thundercats done like that. I'd also like to see He-Man. Yeah. I'd like to see what they would do He-Man like in that style. It'd be quite cool. And look, his little, starts out with a toy. Cool. Is that actually a toy? Yeah, they must have looked 3D. Crazy that is. CG skills to a fantasy scene. I'd love to go and explore that place. Imagine these things actually move, they're just pretending to be statues. How to sculpt a real dinosaur. That'd be interesting. And look at that, starts out as like a little sausage. You get some ZBrush brushes on the downloadables. What's this here, I wonder? 3D World. I like the cover of that. Reviews. What have we got in here then? Painter 2022. My neighbour. Heyoa. Heyoa. What's what? Is this? What's this here? Heard it in the works of Israel. Oh, cool. It's a book. It's a book of Studio Ghibli bloke. I only got 3 out of 5. Wonder why that is. I have to read that. Creating stylised animals. I want that book. That's a 3D Total publishing book, that is. Oh cool, look, they broke down each little facial feature. Traditional art. There wasn't many reviews in this one, was there? What have we got here? Traditional artist. Oh yeah, I love it, I love this. Imagine if, I always think this thing, so imagine if you woke up one day and you were like this. You looked like this, the whole world looked like this, but you remembered being a human. So you, imagine if you woke up and you was inside of a cartoon, but you knew that you were still a human. Imagine how weird that would be. Oh cool, look at these little fruit characters, look. I like this, my favourite one. Is that avocado? Oh, that one looks nice. Cutie. I I've started doing things like that in my sketchbook. What did I do yesterday? I drew a posh snail. It was a little I drew a little snail character wearing like a business suit. It's quite funny. Actually, I'm gonna, where is he? I think he's on my desk. Yeah, have a look at this, look. I thought he was quite funny. I thought to myself, I was only like messing about, but I thought to myself, I'm going to actually try and turn him into a proper character. Because what I've been doing is, one of these articles they said about getting an emotion and an object and combining them. So this one was the brainy lion. This was the fat crab. So I've had to think, what is the word fat all about? What's the word crab all about? Trying to create a little character. This was the jolly jelly bean. It's very hard to put a jelly bean into. This is my favourite one. This was the polite snail. Look at him, look. I'm thinking I'm going to turn him into a proper character in the future. I think that one there was my favourite. He's got a nice little silhouette and stuff. So I'm gonna turn him into a little. I think I'm going to turn him into a proper character. 11 tips on rendering perfect portraits. That would be good for an article, I imagine. How beautiful does this look here, look? Right, there is something about traditional that's just much more special for me. Lovely, these are. Who's this artist here, I wonder? Jean-Sebastian Wasbach. Hey look, Jean-Sebastian Wasbach. Look at this for beautiful stuff. See what, if that was on the cover, if that was the cover art, it'd probably be my favourite, I reckon. Develop your fisheye art skills. Fish eyes. He's got sort of fish eyes, hasn't he? Little Derek the Donkey. Little fish eyes. It's mad, isn't it? Stuff you get first impressions with Willy Thingamajig. And that's it. We end with the bum again. I've noticed something. Somebody left a comment on one of the videos and they said, how many pages are there in a typical ImagineFX magazine? And I thought to myself it'd be something like 80 one month, 90 another, 100 another. It turns out every single one of these issues has actually got 98 pages. So there must be some sort of rule where they've got like a 98 page limit. It's quite weird. Maybe that's why they didn't do many reviews this month. They couldn't fit them all in or something. But I found that quite fascinating that they've actually got a limit on the number of pages. I wonder if that's a good thing or not. I think about that. I hope you enjoyed this one though. I think that's my favourite. Actually, there's quite a lot of favourites in here. I like this Indian guy. Where is it? I think I like this one here. These Indian characters. Skeletor. I love that studio as well. Oh, this was my favourite. Yeah, really good month this one. Really cool. And what a fantastic little studio space that is. Look, we've got a little monster sitting in the chair as well. I hope you enjoyed that. That was, what was it? It was issue 204, October 2021 by the ImagineFX magazine. And I'll see you later for another one.